this video, we are going to review the Canva affiliate program plus 5 ways for you to make money. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn everything that you need to know about the Canva affiliate program. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, what we are going to cover is what Canva is, the affiliate program, how much money you could potentially make, and all of the different ways that you can make money. Now, this series is actually a part of a channel that I just relaunched that talks only about affiliate programs. If you are interested in learning more about different affiliate programs, definitely check out the channel. It's called Affiliate Program Reviews. I'll leave a link in the description. All right, so first things first, what is Canva? Canva, in my opinion, is a top 5 website on the internet because there's so much that you can do with it. You can do social media marketing, you can create press releases, you can create editable content for you to sell, you can make money, you can give stuff away. There's so much that you can do with it. It's kind of hard to explain in just a short 10-minute video. But let's take a look at my screen here at some of the things that you can do with Canva. At the top here, you can create videos for TikTok, you can create Pinterest pins, you can create presentations, you can create logos and posters and YouTube thumbnails. There's just so much stuff that you can do with this and that you can make money. So let's go ahead and talk about the affiliate program. The affiliate program is managed by the Impact Affiliate Network, and an affiliate network is simply a third party that works with both affiliate marketers and affiliate programs. And what happens is a company like Impact is responsible for affiliate links, it's responsible for any marketing materials that you need, and commission payout. So you have to create an account over on Impact.com. It's a free account, and then you have to go and apply to the Canva affiliate program. So what you see on my screen here now is a little bit of information about the affiliate program. You'll see how much they will pay their affiliates, you'll see the EPC, and you'll see the cookie window. If we take a look at their affiliate website, you can see that you can earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber that signs up. And you'll also see, if we jump back over here, the cookie window, I believe, is 7 days. And the only drawback that I see with this affiliate program is that the 30-day EPC, or that's average earnings per click, is 25 cents. So not a lot, but you can see there's some opportunity. So $36 is not a bad amount of money. If you got about 3 sales per day, you'd be looking at $100 per day. If you stay with me and listen to all of the different ways that you could promote Canva, 3 sales per day is not impossible. Now remember, it's 3 sales per day with the pro level, not the free, but the pro. So let's go ahead and talk about it. If we go back over to Canva, and I'm just going to run through all of the different ways that you could potentially make money. As you can see here, we've got video, Pinterest. You could promote Canva as a solution to people that want to start a social media marketing agency, and this is going to help them create templates fast. Another benefit to Canva is that you can actually create Canva images and graphics right from your smartphone. One thing that you can do, which is really cool, is you can create content on how to make digital products to sell. So if we go how to make digital products to sell, and we click on this, you can see people are creating content to show that people that are interested in starting an online business how to create digital products to sell. And then you can tell them that everything that they need can be contained right into Canva. You put your affiliate links in the description of the video and you can make money. If you look at this, these videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. You walk them through the process of how to make a digital product, or how to make a Pinterest pin, how to make a Pinterest pin. And then you can walk through the steps of showing them how to make a Pinterest pin, and then you can even add on Canva, just like that. I should have spelled the rest of Canva, but as you can see, how to make a Pinterest pin, and you can make money. You can actually make money teaching people how to make money online, which is really popular. People are always looking for side hustles, but you can see there's opportunity here all throughout. You can go back over to this one, and then you can actually do how to make money on Etsy. And then you can walk them through the steps of different ways of making money on Etsy, walk through that process, and then you can make money. Another cool thing that you can do is you can actually show people how to start a YouTube channel. And one of the things that they need for a YouTube channel is a YouTube banner, YouTube cover art, and a YouTube logo. And you can do all of that right in Canva. So if we go back over here, we can just type in like YouTube thumbnail, just like this. And you show people how to create thumbnails over on YouTube. you can make money. Now, one thing that you could do, you could simply just create content showing people how to do stuff on Canva. That is a huge niche. That's a huge market. You can say how to underscore Canva, and you can see that there are people that are asking questions all about Canva. Now, if we go back over here, another thing that you can do, and there's just so many different opportunities, you can see a lot of these thumbnails are free. There's some paid ones as well. But if we come back, we go back to Canva, we can take a look at all of the different templates that are out there. Let's see. You can see, you could just simply take your time and create a whole bunch of content just showing people how to do different things, how to make TikTok videos on Canva, how to make Pinterest pins, how to make Facebook posts. All of that is available right in Canva. So we're going to go back home again just to show you all of the options, all of the different things that you can do right from Canva. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to show people, help people solve a problem, and then put your affiliate link, and they'll sign up for the free account, and then eventually people will at least try the pro for a few months. When people try the pro, you get paid a commission. All right, so it looks like we're back, and as you can see here, if you look at the very top here, it says videos, Pinterest pin, presentation, Instagram post, poster, logo, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook post. These are all different things that you could teach people how to do. You can teach people how to do these things right over on Canva and make money. But if we look at the top here, you can show people how to make presentations on Canva, how to do social media on Canva. These are all different opportunities for you to make money. And once again, you just simply put your affiliate links. Now, this is the most easiest and obvious way, but you can also jump over to something like Pinterest and do this. You can do this with a blog. If we go over to our keyword tool, Ahrefs, there are a few ways that we can use this. Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool that you can use. One thing that we can do is we can type in something like how to Canva, and we're going to, actually, we'll just type in how to, and we're going to hit enter. As you can see, we're going to get a bunch of search results, and we're going to include Canva just like this. As you can see, there are 37,000 monthly searches. There are 10,000 keywords when we include how to Canva. And you can see, if you teach people how to do these things, how to curve text in Canva, it gets 600 monthly searches, and it has a keyword difficulty of 7. How to remove background in Canva. You show people how to do this, and then add your links in the blog post or in the YouTube description, you can make money. So if we go to how to remove background in Canva, we're just going to copy this, and we are going to paste it right here in our search engine, and we're just going to go through. You can see if we scroll down, the top results are Canva. Below this, if we open this one up, we could potentially use this as a way to find even more keywords. Another thing that we could do is we can go back up to our keyword research tool, go over to Site Explorer, and we can type in something like canva.com and find all of the keywords that they rank for. And this is a benefit because this is going to help us find different niches that we could get into and potentially start making money. So as you can see here, there are 3.8 million organic keywords. Now, we probably can't compete for a lot of these keywords, but what we can do is potentially find ideas. Now, people are looking up flyers, like how to make a flyer, how to create a flyer, how to create posters. These are all different opportunities that you could make money right in Canva. Now, the way that I like to use it, large websites, we're looking for niche ideas. Small websites, we're looking for keywords. So if this website was small, this is probably a larger website. If we copy this, we copy the domain name just like this. We're going to copy, we are going to copy link address. Then we're going to go up to Site Explorer one more time. And then we're just going to take a look and see if they rank for anything. And we're going to look and see how large the website is. So this is a small website. This would be an opportunity. They rank for 11,000 keywords, almost 12. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look and see what we could rank for. And to do this as a new website, we're going to change the keyword difficulty to 5 or less, hit enter. And then these are keywords that we could create content and rank. How to outline text in Canva. So that's exactly something we'd want to create. Canva drop shadow. So it looks like their site is dedicated to just about Canva stuff. Upload font to Canva, search Canva layouts. These are all different ways that you could create content, starting a blog, and potentially make money. Now, you'll probably be able to scale faster if you start a YouTube channel. You could do multiple videos in one day, but as you can see, this is an opportunity. So let's recap real quick. You could start a YouTube channel where we're showing people how to make money on Pinterest, or how to make money on Etsy, or how to do something on Canva. You could create Pinterest pins. I think one of the biggest opportunities is, if we go back over to Canva, is we go through and we show people how to do different things in Canva. As you can see here, how to create a slideshow video in Canva, how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Another great way to promote the Canva website is to teach people like how to start a YouTube channel. And one of the components of starting a successful YouTube channel is having high quality thumbnails. And so when you do it this way, when you attack it from the side, you don't just go straight at like buy Canva, buy Canva, buy Canva. You come from a side or an angle. It is much more convincing. People need Canva as a tool. And that's really the key to affiliate marketing. You want to promote the product or the service, in this case Canva, and in this case Canva, as the solution for whatever it is that ails them, or problems that they're encountering. Maybe they want to create high quality Facebook posts, but they don't know how to do it. And then that's where Canva can come in. You can create high quality Facebook posts fast. And that's something that people are interested in. Or how to create a Facebook or Instagram story from your phone. That's something people are interested in, and Canva could be that solution. Again, if we go back over to YouTube, we could say how to create an Instagram story from your phone. As you can see, people are looking at how to create Instagram story from your phone. Just like that. And you can see how to make an Instagram story, full tutorial, how to make an Instagram story like a pro. When you teach people how to do stuff, put your affiliate link in the description and you can make money. And again, just to recap real quick, Canva is a part of the Impact Affiliate Network. They will pay you up to $36 in commission. I believe the cookie window is 30 days. We can try and verify that real quick. If we scroll down, let's see if we can say, yep, 30 days on the first click, 30-day cookie window. You basically will sign up for free at Impact Radius, and then you will apply to join their affiliate program. Now, the requirements, I believe, are relatively flexible. I know that I didn't have an issue when I applied to join the Canva affiliate program. And just be honest and tell them how you plan to promote it. If you're going to start a YouTube channel where you show people how to use the tools of Canva, that's going to be a good explanation. If you're going to use the Canva affiliate program to teach people how to start a YouTube channel, just be honest and upfront. Tell people that you are a beginner, but you do have experience with using the tool, Canva, and then you can get accepted. Worst case scenario, they say no. You go out, create a bunch of good content, apply again, and show them the work that you've completed, and that will increase your chances. Now that you know how to make money with the Canva affiliate program, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.